Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Blast. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. Today we are diving into the world of short haircuts, specifically designed for women over 50, 60 and beyond, whether you have thin or fine hair. We have got you covered with over 50 stunning styles that will enhance your beauty and boost your confidence. These ageless styles will not only boost your confidence but also keep you looking chic and stylish. Transform your look and feel happy with these fabulous short haircuts and hair color ideas. Remember, age is just a number and you deserve to look and feel your best at any age. Don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, comment below with your favorite hairstyle. Subscribe to my channel for more beautiful tips and inspiration. Share your new look with us. Here are some styling tips to keep your short hair looking its best. Use volumizing products. OPT for shampoos, conditioners and styling products designs to add volume. Blow dry upside down. This technique can help lift the roots and volume. Avoid heavy products. Steer clear of heavy creams and oils that can weight your hair down. Regular terms keep your hair looking fresh with regular terms every 4-6 weeks. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in these short hairstyles.